Hi, welcome to my garden. August is I think the hottest month this year. Some of my plants loves it, while some of my succulents don't like it. They get sunburn. The good thing about summer is that flowers are blooming and butterflies also come. Their colors are amazing and watching them is so relaxing. But it is important for you to know what type of plant you are growing because some of the plants don't like 100-degree Fahrenheit temperature, while some loves it. Whatever is the season, right amount of sunlight, water and soil mix is the most important in growing plants. It is important for you to know what plant you are growing. You need to know what type of environment they came from, what type of soil they grow. Checking the soil before you water is a universal rule. You cannot get wrong. Let the soil dry in between watering is the universal rule. This will prevent root rot to your plants. When you have four seasons in your place, make sure to choose a plant that can thrive all year round, so your garden will not look bare when the season is not right. Even if I am a succulent collector, I make sure that I have enough space to relocate them during winter. Our place has a cold winter, so I cannot leave them outside. Once you have a snow in your place, you cannot leave your succulents outside. Some can survive, but it takes a while for them to grow back. It will also damage their leaves and can be seen permanently. Succulents are slow grower, so it takes a while to get rid of the damaged leaves. Greenhouse was one of my goals this year, and I'm glad I was able to achieve that goal. It is important to relocate my plants in a warm place with enough light during winter. Like for example, The moringa tree and the lemongrass, they cannot survive the snow. Other plants, I can plant them yearly through their seeds. When planting vegetables, make sure to know what they like. First, know what temperature range they can grow. Vegetables will not grow and will not produce fruits if the temperature is not right. You need to note the date when you are planting, or else your effort will be wasted. Don't be afraid when you are new with vegetable gardening. You can always experiment. As you go along, you will always learn and improve until you reach the point that you will master everything. The things you need to know when you do gardening is that know your plant, know how much light the plant need, how much water they need, what temperature they like, and the type of soil they want. When you have the answers to all of this, I am sure you will be successful. Harvesting your produce is the most exciting and fulfilling. It is satisfying feeling when you spend time and do effort to grow your vegetables and harvest them. It may be psychological, but it tastes delicious when the vegetable is from your garden. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, press subscribe in my YouTube channel. Follow me in Facebook. Press the notification button to be notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.